Hello and welcome. This is Matthias Röse. I'm Chief Technologist for Manufacturing, Automotive and IoT with Hewlett Packard Enterprise. And I'm excited to be in Barcelona next week on the IoT Solutions World Congress. On one hand side, we will have a big booth there, C319, where we show together with our partners PTC, Schneider Electric, Intello IoT and Crowd Optics, a couple of use cases which are already in production. So you can basically see what we're doing with our partners, how we integrate stuff into the real world and make it really happen. And by the way, my session Tuesday night, 6:15 in room 3, is also about making POCs being relevant to the market and really bring them into production and not just building another POC after POC after POC. So join me for see how we, let's say, cut the Gordian knot of IoT projects and have a look at the booth into our sessions. It will be really cool. Looking forward to see you there. Safe travels into Barcelona. See you next week. Thank you.